everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this purple smoky eyeliner look, and it's actually not that complicated. It doesn't take that much time. So the first thing you want to do is prime your eyelids. This will get rid of all the redness of your eyelid and just will leave you with a nice clean canvas. Then you want to go in with a eyeshadow guard. If you don't have these, you just can use some sticky tape that you have at home. You know, sticky tape that you use for like presents and stuff, and apply them where I applied them as well. And the first thing that I did was like setting my whole eyelid with a little layer of powder just to lock that primer in place. And then I went in with this white eyeshadow and applying this underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. This will just kind of lift the brow and just create a nice light base. Then I went in with this color, which is a purple shade. All the colors I'm using are from my Sigma palette that I created together with them, which I will link down in the description bar. But what I'm doing with this purple color, I'm just blending it along the lash line and the eyeshadow guards. And this makes it so easy because you don't have to work very precise. You can just kind of sweep your brush back and forth, just kind of in the shape where you would normally like create your wing liner. But because it's eyeshadow, it's very soft, so you can just sweep it back and forth. And once you apply the eyeshadow guard, it will just kind of make everything really sharp once you remove it. So the eyeshadow will kind of stop where the eyeshadow guard starts. So you can just sweep your brush on top of the eyeshadow guard and it will just not mess everything up, which is really nice. So then I went in with the color Jacqueline, and I'm just blending this kind of right below the previous color. And then I went in with the color Levine, which is this matte black shade, and blending it even lower. You want to kind of blend all these shades a bit lower from each other so you get that nice gradient effect that goes from light to dark, if you know what I mean. So just take your time with this. If you feel like you applied too much of the black eyeshadow, you can always go back in with one of those previous colors and blend it out with that lighter color, which will make everything a little bit lighter and softly blended out. So this is how it's currently looking. I removed the eyeshadow guard, and now you can see like this sharp edge that the eyeshadow guard left me with, which is so easy. If you're the type of person that loves like wearing wing liner on a daily basis, this is just kind of the same, but it will just give it a nice twist with that color right above it. You can also do it with brown. I have a few videos on my YouTube channel where I did this with brown eyeshadow, which is really nice as well. Then I used a liquid liner and I just kind of divined the line a little bit more to make it extra black. It just makes it a bit more sharp. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but I feel like it kind of contours the eye look, if that makes sense. Just like with a painting, when you put a frame around it, it just looks better. So that's kind of what I did with the eyeliner. I just feel like it looks more sharper. Then I just cleaned everything up with a little bit of concealer, and after this we're gonna focus on the lower lash line. So first I went in with the color Levine again, which is that matte black shade, and I applied it with a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty. And then I used that color which was called Knobos, and I'm using this color to blend out the lower lash line. And I'm just applying a few layers to really make it as purple as possible. And since I use this color for my smoky liner as well, everything now really complements each other. So I'm just continuing to blend until I'm happy with how everything is looking. And then I went in with this pencil, which is from the brand Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the super nude pencil. It has like one side which has a nude pencil and the other side has like a dark brown, I believe. I actually never used the dark side, but I really love the nude pencil that I'm using right now. So using this for the waterline, it will kind of brighten up my eyes. And then I went in with this lash curler, which is from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this to curl the lashes and really lift them upwards. So for my mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which is a really nice mascara if you really want to focus on making your lashes look more lifted. That's why I really like this mascara, and it also really separates the lashes really nice. It won't make them look like clumpy and thick. It's just really for lengthening and lifting, in my opinion. So then I went in with the Lena lashes from Queen Tarsi, and these are actually half lashes. So I'm applying them kind of like midway my lash line, and then you will get like the most volume at the outer part of your eyes, which kind of makes your eyes look more foxy in a way, just kind of more catty. But yeah, this is the end result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if you ever tried a smoky eyeliner look. I really like them. You can do them in any color that you like. So let me know if you have tried it or if you're gonna try it after watching this video. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!